Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. This team 13. Are we? Is it
Oh,
okay
yeah,
if
yeah. Okay.
if we present now?
Okay, okay, can.
Yeah. This one is our final presentation, right? So just give me.
You all later have to present again or no need?
I think this is our final presentation because with this our third prototype as well. So I think
Okay.
this will be our final presentation as well.
Mm.
Okay. I believe you can see the screen. Yeah.
Bit bigger so I
Oh yeah.
can.
Later I'll zoom in to show more.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so good afternoon. So we are Team 13. We'll be presenting our sprint for the past 2 days. So we are given a topic about how teachers are unable to find suitable team and mechanics when they have topics that they want to teach. So this our problem. So this became our problem statement. So that such that teachers are we are teachers are unable to find the suitable theme and mechanic to be implemented in the game for the topics that they want to teach. So given this problem statement, we try to understand the issues more. So we did some interview with you, and we asked some questions regarding this, and as well as we created some stakeholder maps and created 3 different personas. Each persona is about teachers with varying experiences with online with gamified education online educational games, as well as different experience in teaching industry in general. And with all this information, we summarized our learning and we created some ideas. And then we voted on these ideas so that we can develop further. So based on our sorry, based on our ideas that we voted, we started sketching of the different ideas, be it the 8 ideas in 5 minutes or the one idea in 5 minutes. So we all did this, and we started to, based on this idea, we did some Zen voting to determine which is the which is the main idea that we should develop, as well as the second best idea. So shown here is our best idea and the second best idea. You might not be able to see it clearly, but our best idea is mainly that there's a recommendation system for a teacher, so the teachers just need to put in a topic and all the details about the lesson that they want to go through, and this system will be able to help you find the best suited one. Our second best idea was a more community driven one. So uh, not only a system will help you to find the most suitable one, but also the teachers around you can also help you. So based on these 2 ideas, we did some thinking hats to explore more about this idea. And after that, we also did some storyboards about how this application could be used. And then we started with our paper prototyping. Our paper prototyping mainly focuses on the 2 main features that we uh, plan to add, as well as some additional features that we think is a good addition to the to the application itself. So you can see the paper prototype as we've shown earlier just now, and we've gotten some feedback and made some changes accordingly as well. And our second prototype was more the clickable prototype, which we did on Figma, which we've also shown earlier just now. Mainly changes some changes from the paper prototype, and based on this prototype as well, we created our third and our final wireframe, which we will show later on in more detail with all the new changes. But before that, we might want to refresh you more about how the application goes. So the main feature is that the teachers can find these new themes and mechanics. So the teachers, what they need is just to upload the subject that they want to teach and the level that the students are in, be it a primary one, kindergarten, etc. So and the system will find the most suitable team that it thinks can help that suits the topic most, and the teachers could either develop further from this using our built-in template and applications, or they can go to the browse in the community and see what others have done with this template, with this theme and mechanic, and maybe gain inspiration or contact them further, and then they can choose whichever they want to use as well. Then after that, they can edit the content and all this, and then after that it will be ready to play educational game. We have also some additional features which we'll also show later on. So this is our prototype. So this is the starting scene, the homepage that the teachers will see. So if and the right hand side is all the previous projects that the teachers have done, all the previous lessons that they have created with this application. So let's say the teacher uh, wants to create a new lesson with a certain topic, so they can just create a new project. So for this example, we'll be using mathematics with the topic of addition with the primary two. So the system will generate the suitable game idea for the suitable theme and mechanic for that game idea. So in this example, will be shopping and adventure. So as said earlier, teachers can generate an application and edit it directly. So for now, we'll do that, and which will show this screen. So it shows for this example, it's a more of a storyline based game. So after they reach a certain checkpoint, they'll be asked a certain question, and so what the teachers can do, they can adjust they can put in the questions accordingly, so that it fits so that they can put in the questions accordingly, and yeah, so they just put in, and maybe there are different branching path based on the answers of the students is also possible. So once they're done, finish, and it will be saved in their project. So they can either edit it back again, or they can download it to be used, or maybe they might want to publish it to the community as well. That's also possible. So in the case of whether they want to browse for other ideas that others have done, they can just click on the browse here. You'll go to the browse to all the published projects that are done, and it will filter for you automatically. So let's say the teacher wants to pick the first one, and they can know more about it, and they can download a demo of it and see how it goes, and maybe contact the person who created this to work together. So additionally than this, there's also the community feature, which allows teachers to interact with other teachers as well as other developers for some discussions. So this is just some discussion and so teachers can interact here. And for our resources, so we have, as feedback from the previous prototype, we've shown some clearer examples of what resources is. So there are different themes. So for example, if we go to the C, and then so we'll describe what the C theme is and what kind of recommended subjects for this. So for example, for C, it's suitable for biology and all this, and maybe for some mechanics that suit well with this, and we can show the popularity trend. So it applies for all, but this is just the placeholder. So it's separated into two, the theme and the mechanics, so that teachers who are not familiar with games may know more about these theme and mechanics. And yeah, I think that's all for our prototype presentation. Do you have any questions or feedback?
So, you all didn't put kind of a title. What's this challenge about? Is it you can put it somewhere on this screen?
On the prototype screen or on the?
That means your application has a name, right? Has a title?
Oh yeah, the game is called Education. The app is called Education. So our challenge is the teachers not being able to find suitable themes and mechanics for the education game.
Yeah, I know, but you want to put some some name to describe. Is it team team mechanics
describe what a theme or what our mechanic is. Is that?
Like overall name lah. For example,
Mhm.
game team / mechanics, something like that. Or
Do you mean in the home page?
hmm.
Or do you mean for the app?
On the home page on here on this page.
Uh-huh. Oh, maybe this.
Where's your starting? Which one is your starting page?
This is the starting.
That is a starting page.
Starting page, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, you mean we should have put in like recently visited teams or recently visited mechanics, something
No,
like
no,
that?
no,
No.
no. What I mean is you can improve this screen by putting some on top here, something like to show a team and a mechanic.
Oh.
Some graphic to represent that lah. That's all.
Oh. You mean the photos instead of the colors?
No, you have these already, but some sort of icon here to show that is a team and
Oh.
mechanic.
Oh.
Rather
Okay.
than what is this? This is Bunny. What is this?
Which one? This one?
Oh, your application. I think.
Yeah.
Anyways.
This is a demo.
No, I mean this screen. If you can put something like from
Yes.
here, you can see teams, team, teams and mechanics.
Mhm.
Oh.
Something like that.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-mm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some
Yes, sir.
graphic lah. No need to put the words. I can show like the
Okay.
theme is something like some sort of a icon lah. Then the mechanic is another icon lah. I mean,
Okay.
you
Okay.
put it
Okay.
somewhere around here lah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Is
Yes,
there any
sir.
other questions? Or
Yeah, I don't have another question.
okay. Okay. So we don't need to present anymore, right? This is our like
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can.